Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and today I am so excited because I am going to be reviewing the MetaBoost Connection program from Svelte Training. So Svelte Training is a company who offers trainings, workouts, recipes, meal plans, and tons of resources for healthy living, losing weight, and this one specifically, the MetaBoost Connection, helped me lose weight and boost my metabolism. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I'm going to start off this review by first telling you a little bit about the program. I'm going to actually show you, like on my computer, share my screen inside the program so you can get a first-hand look of what you actually have access to. And then I'll actually show you some of the recipes that I've made on this program, and then possibly some of the workouts as well. So the MetaBoost Connection is a 10-day program. I've done this now for just 20 days and I've lost 10 pounds, a little over 10 pounds to be exact, and it has worked for me tremendously. Now, the reason I love this program specifically is because it is very detailed. So it actually walks you through each and every day what you should be eating, what you should be drinking, down to like when you should be eating and drinking these things, and then like time of the day, and then it gives you your workouts too. So it is literally like a meal plan and a workout plan, pretty much like having a nutritionist and a workout coach there with you for the 10 days that this program takes. And I know her by but Meredith Shirk is the one who created this program. She has been a health coach for over a decade, so she knows what she's doing. She created this program specifically to help others with their weight, hormones, metabolism, and I can speak for that because I have seen amazing results with this program. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of what it looks like inside the actual program itself. Okay, I am back. I am going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see inside of the area. I know at least when I purchase something or I'm making an investment on something, especially something that I'm going to be using every single day, like I do the MetaBoost Connection, I want to make sure that what I'm purchasing is something that I want. So I like to show you guys kind of like the ins and outs of the actual like inside of the program. And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So this is something that I've been using every day for the past 20 days, a little over 20 days, and I've been able to lose over 10 pounds already. So I am really excited for this program to be introduced to you guys. If you haven't heard about it yet, if you've heard about it and you're looking into it, I would highly recommend, but I digress. Let's go ahead and look at the back end. So when you first log in to your Svelte dashboard, this is what you'll see. This is Mare here on the welcome page with a little video. And then there's a kind of like a featured workout here. And then they also offer supplements. So they have a really nice supplement quiz if that is something that you wanted to get that's additional. But I'm gonna go down here to my program and access the MetaBoost Connection. So this includes a quick start guide, the workout manual, and calendar, which is huge. When I purchase a program, I need it to have a calendar. I need something to keep me on track. I need something to keep me accountable, and a calendar that actually tells me, this calendar gets down to like what to eat. It gives you the recipes for what to eat, at what time, on which day of the program. So throughout the 20-day program. And it is, for me, it's just super helpful. So you'll first start with the quick start guide. All of this information is also able to be downloaded. So not only the recipes, the quick start guides, the calendars, the workouts, the meal plan, the grocery list. She gives you a grocery list. It's all able to be downloaded, which is huge for me because if I am not on the internet or if I'm somewhere where I don't have a really great connection, I can still get my workout in. I can still see what groceries that I need to purchase. And for me, it's just really helpful. So all of the guides give you this little download now button. Again, you'll start with the quick start guide, the MetaBoost Connection manuals in here, the shopping list and recipes, And this is the Meta Balance. This is actually natural remedies for hormone imbalance, which for me was something that was really important when I was looking for a program. One of the reasons I chose the MetaBoost Connection, because in this program, Mare actually gives you different ingredients that you're going to be incorporating throughout the 20 days that actually help your body not just lose weight, but it actually helps like your hormonal balance or imbalance. If you are imbalanced, it helps your hormones get in balance to just be your healthiest self. And that's for me, the focus of this program. It's not like, oh, lose weight and like look your best. It's really focused on like getting your body healthy so that you can feel your best. So that is why I love this. This is a little extra guide here that gives you like power shots. So if you want to do the power shots, I did throughout the program, you can do that. Let me just go ahead. I'm going to show you guys like one of these lists here. So the MetaBoost Connection shopping list and recipes, this is like kind of enlarged, but this is what it looks like. And as you scroll through, it gives you obviously like your little table of contents. And then these are just like the recipe guides. So the grocery list that tells you everything that you need to buy. These are tons of ingredients, which I love about this program as well. When it tells you the actual like benefits of each ingredient, like, okay, it's telling you what to eat, but why am I eating this? So it's actually educating you about nutrition and hormones and ingredients and all the things that our bodies need to work at their best. So these are the recipes here. These are amazing, by the way, these almond berry fluff cakes. So good. So like these foods are good. It's not like a bland piece of like grilled chicken. Like these Mexi egg casserole, like these are just the breakfast, but there are tons of such yummy recipes inside of this program. Let's go back and I'm going to show you the quick start guide. So this makes it really simple. So at the beginning, it tells you, okay, you can scroll down, go to the MetaBoost Connection, then check out your metabolic flush guide. This is the very first step, the metabolic flush. That's like the first day. And then it says like start this on day 1, and then belly blaster will be the following 10 days. And then you can also access everything from this quick start guide, which is nice, your workout guide. So let's go ahead, let's look at the workout manual. And this is so nice, guys. It tells you exactly on which day to do which workout. If you are a beginner or if you are injured like me, so if you don't know already and you haven't been on my channel before, you know that I have lower back issues. I have herniated bulging discs. So all of these workouts can be modified, which is, I mean, it's a must for me with any program. So you can access the exercise modifications in the workout guide as well, if that's something that you need like me. And then it goes through your day 1 workout, day 2, day 3. So these are the workouts that you need to do on each day. And then in the quick start guide, you can just access everything else that you need, right? So your Meta Balance, your Accelerated Body Transformation Club, if that's something that you want to join. I would highly recommend it. I did join it, so I do have access to it. It is an extra cost. Here it says exactly how much it is. Right now, as of December 2020, it's $49 for 8 months. And then after that 8 months, you get lifetime access. And for me, at least in the areas that I live, if I were to go to a gym, get a gym membership, get a personal trainer, which is pretty much what this program is, get a nutritionist, okay, that tells me what to eat pretty much to lose weight, to get my body in balance and healthy, and have a support group of people, like it would cost, I mean, upwards of $200, probably $300. So for the cost of this program, in my opinion, is completely worth it, especially with the results that I've been able to see so far. I'm planning on doing this program at least like once a month. So if I'm not continuing it like throughout the 30 days of a month, I'm going to be doing this program at least once a month. And then I obviously have the Accelerated Body Transformation Club. That's ever-changing information that I can use at any time, even if I'm not doing the program. So I am excited for you guys. Oh, there's also, let me go back here. So if you go to the MetaBoost Body, this is another part of the program, this is actually showing you videos of your workouts. So based on which workout you're doing that day, which it tells you exactly in that guide, you'll go to the video here. And if you need explanation, she shows you exactly how to do each of these videos. So it is very helpful. It's very straightforward. It is, to me, there's no guesswork. So this has dramatically changed my life. I can't wait to see what it does in the future. Again, I've already seen results and I'm planning on doing it even more in the future. I'm drinking one of the smoothies right now because it's so good. I'm following the program again. Even though I already completed one, I'm going to do it again because I've been loving it. My body feels great. I have way more energy than I used to. I'm able to actually run around with my son. My injury in my back actually feels better. Like, I just feel really good. Okay, so if you guys want to check out this MetaBoost Connection program from Svelte, I highly recommend. I'll put the link below so you can find out any more information that you need. I answer all of your guys' questions, so leave them in the comments if you have any questions for me specifically, and I'd be happy to help. If it is something that I can help answer for you, obviously I would love to do that. Okay, I am going to make one of the Meta Smoothie recipes. All that's in it is mango, blueberries, bananas, a little bit of spinach and almond butter, a little bit of water. So I'm going to go ahead and make this. This is so good. It doesn't look good because of like the blueberries and the spinach in there, but the almond butter in here and the mango make it a little bit like more palatable. It kind of cancels out the spinach in there. You can add superfoods in here. You can add a protein powder instead of the almond butter if you want to, but it's so good and one of my favorites. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully this was helpful if you've had your eye on this program, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.